Monday. Yes, guys, it's a brand new week, and you already know how I feel about brand new weeks. New opportunities to chase our goals and smash them out the park. How was your weekend? Was it as lit as mine? We'll find out. Now, of course, you are watching the best entertainment and lifestyle show in the whole GH. It is, of course, MX Breaks with your favorite lady, Miss Drew, the hostess with the mostest. Nobody do it like me. And so, in the next few minutes, I'm about to bring you up to speed on all of the happenings from all over the weekend. Yes, Ghana DJ Awards was a success. Cardi B named Woman of the Year, and the Wakanda City of Return, has officially launched. So let's get right into it. Now it has happened. Yes, on Saturday, November the 21st, the Ghana DJ Awards was live, and it was an opportunity to celebrate the DJs that are always present. Here on MX24, we have a whole show dedicated to showcasing DJ talent. So if you haven't watched it, you're missing out. Early Jam every Friday and Saturday. Yes, our Early Jam host, DJ Vyrusky, took home three, not one, not two, three awards this year, including Best Overall DJ and Artist DJ of the Year. But you already know, at MX, we have nothing but the best. Now, other DJs also won awards and performed, including DJ Wallpaper, who won Best Club DJ, and DJ Stunt, who performed with Bussum P. Young at the event. The Best International Non-Ghanaian DJ Award went to DJ Big N from Nigeria. Now, of course, here at MX, here from MX Breaks, we're saying a huge congratulations to them all. Now, when I say go slow, what comes to mind, eh? Well, again, on Friday, starting our weekend the right way, Kavoy and I got the chance to go to the launch on a brand new ice cream flavor coming from the Fan Milk family. Now, you guys know your girl loves Fan Ice. Anything ice cream, I'm there. So I actually, before Kavoy, had the opportunity to have an exclusive tasting session. It was amazing. The flavors, we got 4 flavors, guys. Peanut butter, cookies and cream, salted caramel, my favorite, and chocolate and almond. Now, right now, we're about to go check out just a snippet of what went down. This is the video, so let's go check it out. Yes, so obviously this was the entrance. Kavoy is here. We're keeping it mute because we've got a whole new exclusive session that's going to be coming for you guys. So yes, inside, Jocelyn Dumas was there as well. She was the MC of the evening. See your girl? That's your girl. That's Jocelyn. It was amazing. It was great. Kavoy is here getting the juicy details for you. You don't worry. He's going to be coming back with the gossip. We're going to have an exclusive show coming on maybe during the week. Of course, we'll let you know. An exclusive show giving you the real ins and outs of what went down at the Go Slow event. I'm telling you, when you eat that ice cream, you definitely have to take it slowly because the flavors, you know how much I love food, but let's keep going. Wakanda forever! Yes, remember, we always keep you up to date here on Breaks. The Wakanda City of Return has officially launched in Cape Coast, Ghana. Officially launched, well, yes, it's not officially open yet, but it will be coming out soon. Now, the private sector led the project is said to be able to create over 3,000 jobs. 3,000 jobs, and it's going to be a pilgrimage to all the descendants of the slave trade. It's a chance to really expand on the attention that was brought from the 2018 Marvel movie, Black Panther, and the Ghana Government Year of Return initiative. So we've got a video for you. Let's check it out.
The Wakanda City of Return project has been officially launched in Ghana, and the project is expected to be a legacy of Ghana government's Year of Return and Beyond Return tourism initiatives. Officials of Ghana and the city of Cape Coast has signed a memorandum of understanding with the African Diaspora Development Institute, ADI, and 2 local companies to pave way for the creation of an ultra-modern smart city to be known as the Wakanda City of Return. partners for the multi-billion project desire to create a place of pilgrimage for the people of African descent, as well as other tourists to know about the history, culture, the civilization of Africa, and its role in the creation of the New World economy. The ultra-modern edifice modeled around the architecture of the Wakanda City as exhibited in the famous Black Panther movie, is expected to attract many across the globe to Ghana. It will also be a center for teaching the history of the black race. The Wakanda City of Return is set to change the coastlines of Cape Coast, with the construction of 5-star hotels, heritage walkway, retreat and health resort, conference centers, and the continental corporate headquarters of African Diaspora Development Institute. Her Excellency Ambassador Ericana Chambori Kwao, the former African Union representative to the United States and the president of African Diaspora Development Institute, praised Honorable Ernest Arthur, the mayor of Cape Coast, for his commitment in ensuring that this project comes to realization. She disclosed her readiness to mobilize funds for the construction to begin as soon as possible.
So excited for this. You already know your girl is a Cardi girl. So if they're gonna make the Wakanda City in Takoradi, I cannot wait. I mean, they might as well just make Takoradi the capital, right? They should. Now, this is obviously a project which I know some ins and outs, the exclusive, you know, Cheddar. He's involved in this too. But I wonder how long it's actually gonna take to make, and I wonder how close it's gonna look to what they've shown us. I mean, well, of course, over here, we'll keep you posted, we'll keep you all up informed, and of course, I will be the first person there, so you don't even need to worry. Moving on to some good news, I guess. R&B star Jeremih is officially out of ICU. The Chicago-based singer was diagnosed with COVID and had been struggling in the ICU to the point of being put on a ventilator. However, Saturday, his family announced that he had successfully been removed from the ventilator and was being moved out of the ICU. Though he is still hospitalized, his family share that now was when he is truly healing, okay? This right here is the time that his healing begins. So fans, rappers, everyone has been sending him and his family well wishes. Now, staying on in America, Cardi B, Cardi has been named Woman of the Year 2020 by Billboard. Wow. The rapper was quick to share and accept the recognition. However, not everyone was enthusiastic about her award. Not allowing her award to be trivialized, Cardi took to Instagram to share her thoughts on people who felt that she didn't deserve the award. And you already know how Cardi be. So let's have a look.
It's your girl Cardi B, and yes, I am a Woman of the Year. And for you, Cardi B, it's like, but she only got one song. Yeah, I got that song. You know, the one that sold the most, the one that streamed the most, the one that had Republicans crying on Fox News about it. The one that have a song that's about to be 6-time platinum in 3 months. The one that had your grandma popping her on TikTok. Yeah, that one. And on top of that, but like for over a year, you know what I'm saying? I've been influencing, using my platform for y'all to vote. Not just when Joe Biden was going against Trump. I've been informing y'all about y'all senators. I've been informing y'all about district, midterm elections, using my money, my own money to meet up with these candidates like Bernie, flying out, tired after shows. Yeah, that's me. Even when y'all was crying like, but you don't represent us. Yes, I do. I represent America, okay? And I wanted to change. And that's exactly what I did. And eat it up. I'm just that. Eat it up with a spoon so I can get a mouth.
And there you go. I mean, she said it. She represents America. She's that girl, okay? It's Cardi B. And on that note, guys, that is all we have for you today. My name is Ms. Drew, your hostess with the mostest. Follow me on Instagram. That's MZDRU_. Have a blessed day. Stay safe. Shout out to all the team. And literally, I'll see you same time, same place tomorrow. Happy Monday.